I'm from the financial sector, but in a room with the energy departments, energy agencies, as well as philanthropies and government bodies, I found that there were various perspectives discussed, which sometimes we don't get when we just look or approach the work from our own perspective.
I think this meeting is very crucial. It brings people from different fields, from different sectors to meet, to discuss and to talk.
Renewable energy, in this case, as you know, will help us to reduce the gas emission and which will finally mitigate the climate change.
The past 2 days with the high-level policy dialogue as well as today's regional workshop has been incredibly insightful. I'm really grateful to have been able to participate and to share sort of the forum's initiatives and the work that we are doing in the ASEAN region.